Hey guys, this is how to automate stories with Manychat. So guys, first thing that you will do is just simply go to Manychat, of course, and after that, just simply go for the automation over here on the left side of the screen. And now from here, just simply go for new automation on the top right. And after that, over here, just simply go for start from scratch over here. And now after that, just simply go for new trigger over here. And now go for the story reply over here. So you will have here user replies to your story. So click on this. And from here, when you click on this, you can have a specific stories or all of your stories. So it will be depending on you. So let's say I'm going to go for all stories. And now when you click on this, you can have the automation reply contains any word or reaction, or you can provide a specific words or reaction and you can provide a keyword. But in my case, I will go for any words or reaction. And from here, when you have the pro, you can have a delay automation and automatically like the replies as well if you have a pro in Manychat. And from here, just simply click on save down below. And now, once you have done that, you can just simply go for send message over here. And now you can just simply provide your automated message over here. And let's say I'm gonna go over here. Thanks for reaching out. So I'm gonna go for we'll get back to you as soon as I'm available. Have a great day. So that is a simple way to automate your stories. And you can also add a button over here, guys, which you can change the button title and you can have multiple options over here when the button is pressed. But the very basic one that I use is open website over here, which you can just simply provide your URL over here. So you can redirect them to your page or to your personal brand. Or if you don't want that, you can just simply remove over here. And you can also add an image over here as well, which you can upload an image so you can make it more engaging. So it will be depending on you, and you will have here multiple options as well. And now once you are done, you can just simply go for the preview as well over here if you want to see the preview on how it will look. And you can just simply click on set live on the top right. And from there, you will have a basic automation into your story. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.